Hi everyone, it's JR here. It's 2:30 a.m., so don't mind the darkness here. I have my YouTube channel for over 7 years now, so I want to have a small introduction about myself, a few of the hobbies I'm into, and why I have a YouTube channel. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos over the years. I do have a small speech impediment, so if I am hard to understand, I do apologize in advance. Okay, a few of the things I'm into are I collect coins. I've been a numismatist for over 30 years. I collect error coins mainly, but I collect paper currency, slab, mint state coins, raw coins, mint sets, proof sets, type sets, you name it, I probably have it. I like doing tutorials on a few different coins like key dates, error coins, the history behind it. So I'll have more of that in the upcoming months on my channel. I collect sports cards. I own some cards from the 50s and 60s that I inherited from my grandfather. Then I collected some from the 80s and 90s while growing up. I still have them to this day. I don't really do much with them. They just sit in storage. Um, I like going to car shows. I love Ford brand vehicles, but I love all makes and models. I like Ford Mustangs mainly. I've owned five of them over the years. I just sold my 2016 California Special recently. I own a F-150 that I drive daily. Um, so I like going to car shows and just taking random videos of all the cars that are there and all that. I like going to flea markets. Try to go there when time allows it. I'm into dead malls. I live by the Century 3 Mall. That's well known in the area. It closed in 2019 in February. But I like going to the dead malls and taking some videos and pictures of them and upload them. I've had a lot of my material stolen off of me, my videos used in other people's videos and that. I like going to abandoned places like Centralia, the old PA Turnpike, like old abandoned mine shafts, things like that. Been very busy with work lately, so I will try to get more videos on it when the weather's nice and all that. I love to cook. I love especially grilling. I own a Blackstone griddle right now, a 28-inch. I will be putting some videos on what I make, some tutorials on what I make, how I make it on the grill and all that. And also, I'm a gamer. I've been playing World of Warcraft since 2008. I play Pokemon Go, and I also play classic arcade games. I also play like old console games like Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, Sega Master System, all those old systems from back in the day. I own a lot of them too because I collect them as a hobby. Uh, so I'll go to the local arcade and I'll once in a while put videos on what the arcade has at that time for their vocabulary of games and pinball machines and all that. I go to a place called Pinball PA. It's well known in the area. It has over 500 games. If you want to visit them, it's pinballpa.com. But great bunch of guys up there. I recommend that place 100% if you go up there looking for a classic arcade museum. That's the place to go to. So a lot of my videos I created were basically the adventures I go on to, and that is solely for fun. I do not talk about politics. I do not talk about religion or any controversial topic at all. My videos are PC. They are basically G-rated, so it's safe for everyone to watch. And that it's just for fun. But I do ask if people want to use my material that to ask me first, because I had a lot of my Dead Mall material be used in other videos without getting no credit, being monetized. I don't mind people using my material, but it's only fair if they ask me. Um, so that's a small introduction about myself, and I want to thank everyone again for watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Uh, so I want to wish everyone a good rest of the year and take care.